Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we discover how to tap into the incredible superpower known as your brain. Your brain is amazing. It's a complex organ that controls every aspect of your life, from your thoughts and emotions to your actions and reactions. The brain is capable of processing vast amounts of information, making decisions, and solving problems. It's truly a marvel of nature. But here's the amazing part. You can use it to achieve anything you set your mind to. Whether it's personal goals, professional aspirations, or creative endeavors, your brain has the capacity to help you reach them. The key is to harness this power effectively. By focusing your thoughts and energy, you can turn your dreams into reality. It all starts with understanding that you have this power within you. You are in control. Recognize that your thoughts shape your reality. Positive thinking and a strong belief in your abilities can propel you forward. It's about having a growth mindset and being open to learning and adapting. Accessing this superpower starts you on your journey of manifestation, turning your desires into reality. It's a process that involves setting clear goals, visualizing success, and taking consistent action. Manifestation is not just about wishful thinking. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your magnetic desires. It's about being proactive and persistent. But how do we activate this incredible superpower? Well, first things first, you'll need to get crystal clear about your desires. Take a moment to sit down with a pen and paper and really think about what you want to achieve. What do you truly want? Visualize it in your mind. Picture every detail vividly. What does it look like, feel like, and even smell like? Why is this important to you? Reflect deeply on the reasons behind your desires. Understanding the why gives your goals meaning and purpose. Write it down. Be specific. Don't just write, "I want to be successful." Define what success means to you. Is it a certain job, a lifestyle, or a state of mind? The clearer you are, the better your brain can focus its energy. Your brain is like a powerful machine that needs precise instructions to operate at its best. This clarity fuels your journey. When you know exactly what you want, every step you take is filled with purpose and direction. It's like having a bright light guiding you through the darkness. In order to assist your brain in manifestation, create a vision board. Collect images, words, and symbols that represent your goals and dreams. Place it somewhere you can see it every day. Let this vision board serve as a daily reminder of what you are working towards. It keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind. Be sure to practice mindfulness. Spend a few minutes each day focusing on your desires. Meditate on them, visualize them, and feel the emotions associated with achieving them. Take small, consistent steps towards your goals. Celebrate each small victory along the way. These small wins build momentum and keep you motivated. Share your goals with someone you trust. Having a support system can provide encouragement and accountability. Regularly review and adjust your goals. Life changes, and so might your goals. Stay flexible and open to new opportunities. With clarity, determination, and consistent effort, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Believe in yourself and your journey. Now, for the next 30 days, pay close attention to your thoughts and actions. Are they aligned with your goals? Our habits shape our reality. Small, consistent changes make a big difference over time. Be mindful. Be present. Next is deliberate practice. There are many techniques for manifestation. Tell your brain what you want it to think and believe. Try different approaches. See what works best for you. Meditation, visualization, affirmations, explore them all. Consistency is key. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Stay accountable by tracking your journey. Keeping track of your progress is essential for staying motivated and focused. It allows you to see how far you've come and what you need to do to reach your goals. Keep a journal and track your progress. Writing down your goals and the steps you take to achieve them can be incredibly powerful. It not only helps you stay organized, but also provides a tangible record of your journey. Celebrate every win, no matter how small they may seem. Every step forward is a step in the right direction. Recognizing and celebrating these small victories can boost your morale and keep you motivated to continue pushing forward. Accountability keeps you motivated and helps you stay focused on your goals. When you hold yourself accountable, you are more likely to stay committed to your plans. This can be through regular check-ins with yourself or sharing your progress with a friend or mentor. Remember, we are learning how to harness the power of our brain. It is not a race. It's important to be patient with yourself and understand that progress takes time. The journey towards your goals is filled with learning experiences and growth opportunities. Embrace each moment and keep moving forward. Reflect on your journey regularly. Take time to look back at your journal entries and see how much you've grown. This reflection can provide valuable insights and help you adjust your strategies if needed. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Sharing your journey with others who have similar goals can provide encouragement and accountability. A community can offer different perspectives and advice that can be beneficial to your progress. Set new goals as you achieve the old ones. Your journey doesn't end when you reach a goal. It's an ongoing process of growth and self-improvement. Continuously setting new goals keeps you moving forward and striving for more. Enjoy the journey. While it's important to stay focused on your goals, don't forget to enjoy the process. The journey itself is filled with moments of joy, learning, and personal development. Savor these moments and appreciate the progress you are making. The brain needs fuel to manifest what it is you want. So fuel your mind with positive thoughts because your thoughts are powerful. They shape your reality and attract back the same positivity that is being put out. When you focus on the good, you attract more good into your life. Positivity is key. If you've enjoyed this so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Visualize success because visualization lets your brain see exactly what you want. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals. Feel the emotions and make it vivid. Your brain can't tell the difference between imagination and reality. Use this to your advantage. Embrace imperfection. Learn from setbacks. Setbacks are inevitable. They are opportunities for growth. Don't be afraid to fail. Learn from your mistakes. Adjust your approach. Keep moving forward. Remember, every successful person has faced challenges along the way. Celebrate wins, big and small. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how insignificant. Acknowledge your progress. This reinforces positive behavior. It keeps you motivated. It encourages the brain to seek out more wins. So reward yourself for your efforts. Your power within. You are capable. You have the power to create the life you desire. Instruct your brain on how you want it to think. Believe in yourself. Trust the process. Stay committed to your goals. You are capable of amazing things. Ready to manifest with the true superpower you have inside you? Then start today. You now have the tools to unlock your brain's capabilities. Start using them now. Remember, awareness, attention, practice, and accountability are your keys to success. Go out there and manifest your dreams. You've got this. And as always, be fearless, be still, and know